Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Chapter, you will learn about working with collections in Lightroom Classic CC. Collections are groups of photos within your Lightroom Classic CC catalog. In other words, all photos in a collection are part of a catalog, but not all photos in a catalog are necessarily part of a collection. You can create multiple collections from a catalog, and the same photo can be part of more than one collection. Grouping photos into a collection lets you quickly access and view the photos. You can also use collections to perform certain tasks more efficiently. You can create slideshows, contact sheets, and web photo galleries from a collection. You can create as many collections as you want. You can also organize collections by using filtering tools and creating collection sets. Collections you create appear within the Collections panel at the left side of every module. There are three types of collections in Lightroom Classic CC: regular collections, smart collections, and a quick collection. A regular collection is any selection of photos that you group together into a collection. A smart collection is a collection based on defined rules. For example, you could create a smart collection from all photos of Mary Smith that are rated with 3 stars or higher. Any photo that matches the selected criteria is automatically added to the smart collection. A quick collection is a temporary grouping of photos created for certain tasks. Although you can have multiple regular collections and smart collections, there is only one quick collection at a time in any catalog. You can work with photos in a collection the same way you work with other photos. You can stack photos within a collection, but you cannot stack photos from different collections or from collections and folders. When you create a photo stack within a collection, that stack is only visible when you are viewing the collection. You can also rearrange the sort order of photos in a regular collection by clicking and dragging thumbnails. However, you cannot use these methods to rearrange photos within a smart collection. When you remove a photo from a collection, the photo is not deleted or removed from your Lightroom Classic CC catalog.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.